Congratulations! What you actually bought is far more than a hot tub. So, allow me to welcome you to Everyday Made Better and the start of your wellness journey with hot spring spas and pool tables too. We are excited to deliver your product so you can begin the wonderful daily ritual that we call Everyday Made Better. Because we know when you sit in hot water, you're better physically below the water, you're better mentally above the water, and you're better relationally beyond the water. So now what? Are you ready for your hot tub to be delivered? To answer that question, there are a couple of key logistical items to consider. The first is the location of the hot tub. Where will it go? You may already know exactly where you want it, but if you're unsure, here are some suggestions. A new or existing patio or cement slab that is fairly level. If it isn't level, we can provide you with the leveling, shimming directions. On a deck, in a garage, on landscaping timbers, on a patio or landscaping blocks. Inside your home is an option, but only if it fits through a common entrance. For most hot tubs and homes, that doesn't work. And that brings us to the second thing you need to consider: our access to the location of your hot tub. We must be able to get the hot tub to the location you want without encountering any major obstacles. If you are unsure of this, reach out to your salesperson and we can help you figure out the best way to get your hot tub to your desired location. The third and final thing to consider is the electrical requirements of your hot tub. You are responsible for hiring an electrician to complete the electrical connections based on the information we provide them. Please watch the electrical requirements of wiring your hot tub video for more information. Those are the 3 logistical items to check off: the location of your hot tub, our access to that location, lining up an electrician. Once those boxes are checked, you're almost ready for Everyday Made Better and the installation of your hot tub. Now it's time to schedule that delivery. Stay tuned for the next video and 3 easy ways to schedule a delivery.